Hmm? Oh no, these just sent the bullets up. They sent the ammo up so they can put it in the handling room. That's it, like, they had to go like that. Cause you run down here straight, you gonna hurt yourself. Watch your head. And they had to be like some. They had to be like little Marcus height. Run down them John. Yeah. We can exit really, ain't. Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, that ain't playing. Hey, look. So this is what y'all shoot, niggas? I want to see what's down there. I like these spiral stairs. You sure? Yeah. Oh, okay. I'll be right back. It's like some more stuff. Oh boy. Man, that stuff was heavy. Excuse me. Roger that. And we need to collect some trucks yet.
Negative. Almost there. Still going from Leslie.
Right next to the firefighters. This is
Fire exit. The feed. So you can go, look, you can go all the way up to the top of this jump. No smoking, no open flames, no sparks. Yeah, it's out of here. There's some jumps here. Yeah, you put your arm in there. The boy said lead, damn it, lead. Mine. Yeah, a little bit of island over there. It's probably a big island once you get up on it though. Now I want to catch battle history, 1942 to 1945. They went through the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the West Indies, Tahiti, Hawaiian Isles, Marshall Isles. Just 349. Here goes some more. 349. Guess I'm gonna get on some stairs and go up. Go up. You wanna go up? You wanna see all them guns? Them some guns up there. Nah, I don't wanna go by myself. I want you to go with me. Get them guns. I wanna go look at that big globe up there. I bet they probably gonna let me get on that. You see it up there? They probably gonna let me go up there. Yeah. Baby said she out of here.
Go to the submarine.
Submarine me, please. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. We did the tour on the inside. We came on the outside and did the tourists and stuff. But I wanted to walk through that though. Through the little white thing. We ain't going on top though.
We did go.
Oh, we went through the door right there. We went to the door right next to it.
Well, go.
No, I ain't going.
I'm not going. I'm gonna go sit down at the gift shop. Cause I don't want to see no more. We been good enough.
Right. Boy, that thing there, that's a boat there, boy. I ain't get to see all of it, man. We tapped out. I'm gonna have to. We'll do the next one the next time or something, cause, whew, man, that junk, they're hard. Huh? September 11th. What's that? Actual brick moved from the Pentagon crash site. Terrorist attack, 9/11. Hey, them Johns, there ain't no hole either though. The intruder. Danger jet blast. Big boy helicopter. Battle. Ready to do something. Knock him out the sky. Make him cry. Boom. Fall down. What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? I don't know what this is. This the fuel tank or something to fill them up? Probably. That can't be no submarine. Yes, it is. Huh? I think she said that was the little model one. That's a battleship. A small one. All these planes. Memorial to USS Herring, SS-233. I got a mile on the bricks down here. Everybody that died on this boat. He was the commander. He went down with the ship. Look out the eyes of the submarine. Oh, battery finna die. Battery finna die, man. I'm gonna show y'all the submarine. I don't think I got enough juice on my phone. Oh boy. So this might be it, y'all. Big old missiles. So torpedo. I'm sorry. A torpedo. Send them through there. Forward torpedo room. Stop playing with them. Y'all better stop playing with the US of A. I had to come over and see this, man. This junk just look like it just, I don't know. Just something about it, man. Just make me just like, damn. This junk just tear some shit up. This is Mike's truck right there. Got Mike on the side there. Danger, upward ejection seat. Man, that motherfucker looks so cold, man. I don't know what that rod is on the front there. I guess that's, I don't know what that is. Might be the kill birds or something. I don't know. So they won't make it back here in the turbines. Not sure. I'll go over here, look at these planes. I think I recorded these when we first came in, but if I did, I'll just Cobra. This junk got, all these junks got ejectocitos in them. Northrop. Let's roll. Gorilla one. Yeah, gorilla on a hoe, man. Said Gorilla one. Gorilla one. Trent Hall and Rob Baker. The Scorpion. What is this? Gift shop is closed. What is this? I don't know what this for. It's a big old missile right there. Rescue chopper. U.S. Coast Guard. Ooh, they'll get you. And them Coast Guard boys don't play. That's what these is. These Coast Guard. Now that's Air Force. All these over here Coast Guard. Boy, they'll get you, boy. Oh, okay. That's his rescue plane back there. Coast Guardsman's. I wanted to get that helicopter over there. I'm on the sidewalk. I wanted to get that helicopter over there. That's an Army helicopter though. That's like the helicopter that be in like all the old movies. They got that statue. The AR. Nah, there might not be no AR, but the boots and the helmet. Fallen soldiers. I think that's what it means.
Yeah, my daddy got hurt.
This is an Air Force plane right here. Calamity Jane. I wonder what them what's cars on the side mean right there. All the missiles. All the missiles they dropped on a nigga. You know what that mean? Y'all tap in, let me know, man. Do that mean, does that on the side right there, all the missiles? It's like, does that mean all the missiles they dropped on somebody in war or something? Still ain't gonna be able to get that the helicopter like I want to. I can pull over here though. United States Army. That's crazy, man. I guess them all the countries they conquered or whatever over there, or helped. I ain't sure. They got a whole bunch of different flags over there. It says, what it says, Vickery's Bridge. Vickery's Ridge. No, it's a bridge. Vietnam Veterans Memorial. Whew. Yeah, we done made it back to the crib. We did a good timing though. Like, leaving from that museum to now, like it's what, 11? It said we gonna get here. It said we was gonna get here at 11:39. I think we got here at 11:39. We left the museum at like 5:30 ish. I think, like 5:30. And we stopped and got gas. Stopped and ate. Went to Walmart. So yeah, I think we did pretty good on the time, and so yeah. But like I said, man, we officially with the house. We safe. If anybody pray for us, man, to make it home safe and all that good stuff, man, appreciate y'all and all that right there. Now I'm finna lay down because I'm in my own bed, and yeah. So with that being said, shit, dog, man. We up out here, man. We're gonna catch y'all in the next one.